Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Commerce Career. I am CA Vasudeva, founder Commerce Career YouTube channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please visit to our playlist and watch our introduction videos. Today our topic is how many commerce colleges are there in India and how many commerce graduates and postgraduates would enter market every year. It's an interesting topic so that we will understand how many graduates and postgraduates would graduate every year and would enter into market, and what are the job opportunities, and do we have job opportunities in corporate world or not. So every year Government of India's Ministry of Education would conduct survey every year and through its Department of Higher Education, and they publish survey report every year. Such latest survey is available is related to financial year 2020-21. So all the data, all the numbers I am going to talk about are based on this 2020-21 AISH report. AISH means AISHE, All India Survey on Higher Education report 2020-21. As per this report, there are around 24,500 commerce colleges are in India. How many colleges? 24,500. Out of 24,500, 61.39 colleges are situated in rural area. Remaining 39% colleges are situated in urban area. So if you look at this data, still majority of colleges are situated in rural area. Friends, any idea or any guesses how many students would enroll into a commerce course or B.Com course, and how many people would graduate every year? Any guesses? 1, 2, 3. Mostly would not have focused on this number, and that is why I am bringing this video, and in this video I am going to present such data. As per this All India Survey Report 2020-21, in 43.22 lakhs people have got admission into B.Com course, and in the same year 10.2 lakhs people have graduated B.Com course. Similarly, if you look at B.B.A, 6.3 lakhs people have got admission and 1.4 lakhs people have graduated in the same year. If you look at M.B.A, 6.4 lakhs students have registered into M.B.A course, and in the same year 2.16 lakhs people have graduated. If you look at M.Com, 5.39 lakhs people have got admission and 1.59 lakhs people have graduated. Friends, if you put together all these four courses, B.Com, B.B.A, M.Com and M.B.A, 60 lakh students have got enrolled, and out of all these four courses in the same year 2020-21, 15 lakhs graduates and postgraduates have come to the market. That means 15 lakhs people are getting commerce and post-graduation degree every year. Friends, out of curiosity, if you look at how many BE graduates or engineering graduates would graduate every year, and how many B.Com graduates would come to the market every year, the data is interesting, the information interesting. Let us see that information. In 2020-21 for B.Tech 23.2 lakhs people have got admission, and in the same year 4.8 lakhs people have graduated, and BE 13.42 lakhs people have got admission into BE, that is Bachelor of Engineering, in 2020-21, and out of 13.42 lakhs 3.45 lakhs people have graduated from the BE course. So if I put together B.Tech and BE, both the courses, in financial year 2021, 36.62 lakhs people have admitted, and out of 36.62 lakhs, 8.25 lakhs people have graduated engineering course. Friends, how many people have graduated in 2020-21 B.Com? 10.2 lakhs, BE in B.Tech 8.2 lakhs. So it is very clear that more number of B.Com graduates are coming into the market, are graduating compared to BE graduates. So I request all the viewers share my videos to all the people who are doing their B.Com, B.B.A or M.Com, M.B.A, or who have already done any of these courses, people who are searching for job, jobs, or people who are already working and they want more promotion and they want upgrade their skills, upgrade their knowledge, because through this channel I'll be making more videos on the commerce industry, accounting career, accounting and job opportunities in the field of finance and account, and what's happening in the corporate world, and what is the expectation from the commerce graduates and postgraduates in order to get the job. I will be presenting videos related to these topics. This would help B.Com, B.B.A, M.Com and M.B.A graduates to upgrade their skills. Friends, believe in yourself, believe in your strength, believe in your knowledge. Subscribe to my knowledge, get such knowledge, my video through this channel. Friends, in the coming videos, I am going to present, understood in this video, that every year 15 lakhs people would come to the market. Whether do we have finance and accounting job opportunities in the corporate world or not, and if at all, if you want to get job, what we need to do. All those videos I am going to present in the coming videos. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.